Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products with honest reviews. Today, we're diving into the Gonex compression packing cubes, the best packing cubes you'll find on the market. If you're tired of struggling with overstuffed luggage or chaotic packing, this set is designed to make your travels easier and more organized. These packing cubes are made with ultra-soft, lightweight ripstop nylon, giving them a high level of durability without adding unnecessary weight. This material is not only strong but also flexible, which is perfect for packing all your clothes, accessories, and essentials for a trip. The compression feature is what sets these cubes apart, allowing you to squeeze your items down to save more space, leaving room for other necessities in your suitcase or carry-on. The double zippers make compressing your clothes easy and effective, so you don't have to worry about overpacking anymore. The set comes with 4 cubes of varying sizes, including an extra large, medium, and small. This size variety ensures that you can pack different types of clothing, from bulky jackets to delicate accessories, without worry. The compression helps you pack more efficiently, making it perfect for family vacations, business trips, or even camping adventures. One of the standout features of these Gonex packing cubes is the convenience they offer. The smooth zipper system is easy to use, and the cubes are designed for quick access. No more digging through your suitcase for that one item. Simply grab the handle and pull out the specific cube you need. It's perfect for organizing your clothing in a way that keeps everything neat and easily accessible, no matter how tight the space gets. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, these cubes are a great investment. Not only do they help you save space, but they also keep everything well organized, so you can focus more on enjoying your trip and less on packing. The Gonex compression packing cubes make packing easier, more efficient, and less stressful. If you're looking to revolutionize the way you pack, these are the cubes you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Safe travels!